Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today I've got a delicious recipe for you. We are going to be making my favorite cheese dip. And this is that cheese dip you will go to a restaurant for. This is one that you will crave, and it will make your Taco Tuesday so good. Here are the ingredients you need for this recipe. You will need about half a pound of American cheese, garlic powder, milk, and diced green chilies. So grab a pot and get ready to add your ingredients. First, you'll want to add the cheese and 1/4 cup of milk and your diced green chilies. Next, we'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we'll be turning on the heat to low to medium. We started on low heat and turned it up a bit as we broke up the cheese. You definitely don't want to burn the cheese or the milk. So break it up with a spoon and it will start to melt. This is probably one of our favorite things to make when we have nachos or tacos. We were inspired to make this at home because of a restaurant near us that serves this white cheese dip. And I am so glad that we can make it at home now. Comment below if you have a restaurant that you go to have this delicious cheese dip. I promise you are gonna love this. Once it's melted, if you feel like it's a little thick, just add a little bit more milk. And stir it up and leave it on low heat until you're ready to serve it. And with this recipe, we didn't have to add any salt. The cheese had enough salt in it. It's hard to resist. We're all trying to get a taste. Okay, let's test the cheese.
It's good like always.
Good. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. It's one of my favorites. Until next time, happy cooking.